Make a great choice today with the 2019 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.